Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to talk to you about my the trades that I took and been watching. Now recently I've been trying the smart money concept. I used to be I used to trade just like you and everybody else out there, like a retail trader. You know, the normal, we all know, support and resistance and all that stuff. But obviously I came across the smart money concept, and I've been studying it since, and I've been trying it, and it seems to be working well. So I just wanted to go through the trades I took with you guys, and show you what actually happened. So if we look at the, let me go to, let's start with AU. Yeah, let's start with AU. So usually what I do is obviously start with my sorry about that guys, my phone. I usually start with like, line up my order blocks and identify my order blocks and stuff. And as you can see here, I've got my pre setups, like I've got it all here, because these are all order blocks that if it goes to it, I'm going to enter for a buy. If it comes to here and it rejects, I'm going to enter for a sell. So I'm keeping an eye on that at the moment. So what I usually do is, first thing, I go to the highly time frame. I go to the daily, to the weekly. I identify my my order blocks, and sorry about that guy, my cat. Yeah, so I start with identifying my order blocks. As you see here, it says a week order block. This is the weekly order block over here. This is also a weekly order block over here. Then these are daily order blocks that I have marked up. And then whenever I see what do you call it, like a consolidation period, that's when the market is gathering liquidity, and that's when most of the retail traders are obviously buying at the support and selling at the resistance. Now, the reason why I have a money dollar sign here is because there's a lot of sell orders and a lot of sell stops, I mean stop losses, sitting on above these support lines. And here there was buy limits and buy stops, and because every time it gets to this level, it goes up. So the retails were buying this support line, and then look what ended up happened. Usually the market and smart money starts by eventually it breaks out of the consolidation period. It takes all the buyers out and the stop losses. It hits into a weekly order block, and it instantly shot back up. Now we are sitting right here. I am in a trade at the moment because there was I think an hourly order block at this point. What's up? My cat is just crying. I don't know what she wants. Anyway, so yeah, we broke out of the consolidation box, and it instantly dropped down, touched our order block, the weekly order block, and instantly shot back up. And it got to a 4 hour, or I mean an hourly order block, and it started rejecting, and that's when I entered a sell. Now I have moved my stop loss to break even because I'm already in profit. So whatever happened to this trade, it's a risk-free trade, and it's a 1 to 10 risk reward ratio. So that's really good. So I'm targeting this low over here because we had some sort of a resistance, I mean a support line. So what I'm thinking is, if this was a support line, which means there was a lot of buys and there's a lot of stop losses resting below, which the smart money will eventually wants to bring it down to get in clear and stop out all the retail traders down here for us to go back um, all the way up there. So that's what's happening in the EU at the moment. It's really been really slow though. Like I've held this trade for now a full 24 hours, a full day, and it's only gone down for a little bit. So yeah, so I'm also thinking if we get to this daily order block and we receive some rejections, I might enter for a sell back down to the weekly order block. So we'll see how that one plays out. So yeah, always starts with the higher time frame. Identify your trend, go with the trend. As you can see here, the flow of the market is going down. We're in a downtrend, and we sell at the highest points, and we write it down. So that's it for EU. Nothing really complicated. I usually only go down to like the smaller time frame for like entries and stuff. But I barely like go down to the smaller time frames, and so I always stay in the higher time frame because it's a lot more like I'm not gonna say stronger, but there's a lot of it blocks out a lot of noise in the market. Like you don't see all these crazy wicks and you're like, well, is it going up, is it going down? You just see the flow of the market, the trend, and that's what we like to do. Now I am in another trade. I believe it was Euro USD, but I did get stopped out here, and I will explain to you guys why I got stopped out. Now look what happened here. If I go back to the 4 hour time frame, as you can see here, we were obviously, like I said, we identify our order blocks and so on. So as you can see here, there wasn't an hour, 4 hour order block, the last candle to go up before a huge major go down, which broke structure down here, and then it went back up. It retested this order block, and I thought that because when it started going down, and if we go down to the 1 hour time frame, when I saw we broke structure here with this candle, I was like, that's it, you know. I waited for this candle to go up. I entered for a sell somewhere here, and I just got stopped out, which no big deal. It was only 10 pips. Risk management is really everything in the market, and this is how you really protect your capital, because if you don't have capital, you know you're not going to have trades. So protecting capital is always one of the most important things that you can do. So yeah, I am thinking of entering again, but I need to see more confirmations before I do so. But for me, this is not enough confirmation at the moment, just because like we're busy consolidating now in this order block. So I'm not gonna enter yet. I'm just gonna wait for another break of structure, a retest, and then I might enter for another sell. But I always keep my history, and because there's also an empty like what do you call imbalance? You call it imbalance, where it's only a candle in between a wick to a wick, where the market needs to come back down and fill this imbalance up. So that's another confirmation of why we should go down. So yeah, sorry guys. So yeah, that's it for Euro USD. I am in another trade as well, CAD GPY. I'm this trade. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I am in a drawdown. The reason why I entered in the first place is that I saw a huge potential on the higher time frames of 200 pips. Now the market is going down, as you can see. We are at a higher level, so we are expecting a drop, but I mean, I thought this was gonna be the drop, but it didn't. So as you can see, there's a break of structure down here, and that's when I was really confident, and I was like, all right, then I'm gonna enter right here. I entered. It kept going back up. It's retesting this order block right here on the 4 hour, and now we did see this wick, which means there is a pressure selling pressure, but I am in a drawdown. I am still holding it, and I will hold it until this trade plays out. I do have a bit of an 80 an 80 pip stop loss. I mean, yeah, but our target is 203 pips, so I think that's really worth it. We do have an imbalance right here in the market. That's another confirmation why the market should go down. Another confirmation is we have a huge break of structure right here at a retest, and that we should be able to see a huge continuation to the downside. So I will make another video to you guys and update you guys on these trades that I'm in and see how it goes. I always check on Nasdaq every now and then just to like see what's happening. I do see, as you can see, I keep my analysis. I keep my so I'm not sure if smart money concept works on Nasdaq, to be fair. I have my order blocks marked up, but every time it consolidates, as you can see, it goes down, it stops all the buyers out, and then it shoot up and shoot up and stops all the sellers out. But it doesn't seem to be going down to the order blocks and retesting, as Nasdaq is always in a rally. It never, I mean, it does have huge dips sometimes, but it's very unpredictable. So yeah, so it really doesn't make any sense to be selling committed Nasdaq and stuff like that. You know, it's always better, and the trend would be in your favor to be buying Nasdaq and US 30s and you know, all these stocks and stuff. Not stocks, but you know what I mean, the shares and all that stuff. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please leave a like if you saw value, and if you want to see more trades and updates, and if you want to see me do a live video for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.